Morning, I've been looking at people and how they change with the times. And lately, all I've been seeing are people throwing love away and losing their mind. Maybe it's me that get crazy, but I can't understand why all these lovers keep hurting each other when this good love is so hard to come by. So what's the glory in living? Doesn't any ever stay together anymore? And if love never lasts forever, tell me what's forever for? And I've seen love-hungry people try their best to survive when right there in their hands is dying romance, and they're not even trying to keep it alive. So what's the glory in living? Doesn't anybody ever stay together anymore? Forever, tell me what's for